Hey everybody, welcome back to Aglitterylife. I have a really fun plan with me video today for you, and before I jump into talking about that, I do want to just show you last week's layout because I didn't do a plan with me video, and I made this Rose Colored Days glitter shaker out of a Rose Colored Days bag. If you're not familiar with them, they're an awesome shop that I love to get stuff from. So anyway, but this is my spread from last week, and I just loved it. I have loved working out of it. I thought it was so pretty. In fact, I hardly wanted to write in it. I found myself writing in my mini happy planner much more because I just thought this was so pretty, and so I was trying to kind of like leave it like this. So this is out of the new sticker book Simply Lovely from Happy Planner, and then stickers obviously from a lot of my favorite Etsy stores like So Cute Planner, Wild Summer, what is it, Wild Summer Designs, and in fact I have a PR code for So Cute Planner stickers, and I will leave all that information. It's Trisha15, and it gets you 15% off, and then it gets you a special cute little PR sticker extra as well. So wanted to draw your attention to that. I'm going to be using some stickers from some Etsy stores in my layout for this week. It is a Boss Babe theme, but I am going to pull in some stickers from some of my favorite stores, and then I am going to show you something special also. So if you want to see me plan using the Happy Planner Boss Babe sticker packs and you want to hear a really special announcement, then keep watching. Okay, so this plan with me is a collab with Tacoa from Southernteetime. Her YouTube channel and her Instagram is both Southernteetime, and she is a super cute planner babe from South Carolina, stay-at-home mom, and has a really cool planning style. So I hope you'll check out her channel, and I hope you'll check out her Instagram. Go show her some love, and I cannot wait to see what she puts together with her Boss Babe stickers. I am planning this video. I'm doing this Saturday morning. I'm going to edit, plan, film, edit, upload all today because I am behind the game. She probably already has hers all done. I mean, this collab is scheduled for today and I'm filming today. I never do this, but here we are. And the reason why I'm so far behind is because I am launching a sticker shop, an Etsy sticker shop, Aglitterylife plans. This is just a little sample of some foileds that I'll have available for you. Hashtag Glitter Squad. I am so excited. I've been working furiously on this for the last probably 5 or 6 weeks. And I think this weekend is going to be, this coming weekend, the weekend of this planning right here, is going to be my shop launch. That's really what I've been shooting for. So you guys, I'm so excited. I'm so nervous. If you are just in the Happy Planner world, you've got to venture out into the Etsy world because the Etsy sticker world is so bomb. So anyway, that's my big announcement. I will make sure that you guys have all the information about my shop. There's nothing listed yet. I'm going to work on listings this week, but I have been furiously making and designing stickers and all kinds of stuff. So I will have foils and regulars, just all kinds of cool stuff. And I'm going to use some of my kind of mistakes or prototypes. I think I'll use some of those in this planner video as well. So yay for a collab and yay for a Etsy sticker shop launch. I have never been so nervous, you guys. It's so funny. I do crazy hard things all the time. I have I do wild stuff all the time. And for whatever reason, this is the thing that I am most nervous about in a long time. Honestly, I don't know why I'm nervous, but it's been a really cool experience and it's been a lot of fun. My husband's been super supportive. It's obviously costs a lot of money to start. If you're going to do foiled and do all that kind of stuff, I had to buy a laser printer and the Heidi Swap Mink foiler and all kinds of equipment, a silhouette. So anyway, you guys, if you want to see a whole kind of video on doing a shop and launching a shop and what I put into that, let me know. Okay, so I think I'm going to do the purple, the lavenders out of the Boss Babe. I thought it would be pink and black and white, but I just got this new washi tape from my little planner bestie, Nikki, and so I I have a couple planner besties. She's one of them. She sent me this amazing package this week. And I noticed that there are some lavender stickers in the Boss Babe sticker pack. So I really wanted to do that. In fact, I'm going to see if I have any other lavenders. Believe it or not, the only other purple washi I have, and this kind of looks pink, but it's actually a lavender. It's a lavender glitter. And it is so pretty. I think it'll be so perfect. It's so funny that we decided to do the Boss Babe theme collab for this week. And we scheduled this collab quite a while ago. There's no reason that I should be filming, editing, all on the day that we're uploading. I am never behind like that. But like I said, I've been at this desk a lot. In all of any free time I have, I've been spending it here at this desk designing stickers and all that kind of stuff, but I haven't gotten to spend a lot of time just like playing in my planner. I don't know what to expect from having a sticker shop. I just know I'm really excited, and I'm trying to do just like I'm trying to make things that I would like and make things that I would buy, and more of that kind of just clean planner vibe. I think my initial sticker launch is going to be in like 4 shades, like in terms of the color scheme, not including the foils, but just black and white, like blush, nude stickers. Those are kind of be my like color scheme to start with. I just like how clean that is. I like, and I just feel like I never can find really cool black and white stickers. And I love those. And so I'm going to do mostly just like functionals, and probably I'm going to do, well, maybe I'll overlap that and see what that looks like. But I love pretty functionals. I don't know if I'll do kits and like all that craziness. That seems like next level. Get my little washi card out here. My friend Heather was visiting here and she brought this for me. Oh, shoot. I don't ever have washi that folds over like that. Oh my gosh, the Simply Gilded lavender is so pretty. It has like silver bows or like on it, and I'm gonna probably do like rose gold accents, and I'm not gonna even let that bother me. Mixed metals. It's spring. Spring is like all about spring. Like fashion trends are always about mixed metals, so we'll call that like on purpose. You guys, I have good news. My shoulder is getting better. Physical therapy is working, which is really exciting. I still have a ways to go. I am not like fully back yet, but getting there, I think I just like really love this purple glitter tape. This is going to be too much to put it right there too. I mean, can you ever have too much of a glitter? My sister is a first grade teacher and she hates glitter. So she would say, yeah, you can have too much glitter. Can you believe that? Like, how did we come from the same family upbringing? Like, my whole brand is like my whole online brand in terms of like this channel and Instagram and all that kind of stuff. And then my Etsy shop is all, has the word glitter in it. Aglitterylife. Aglitterylife plans. So cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm not mad at that. This washi tape. I've had this forever. I don't even know where it's from. I have had this for years. And it is so pretty. I don't know that I can't ever remember if I've even, I mean, I'm sure I've used it because I can obviously clearly tell that I've used it, but hopefully my lunch will go through that. I didn't think about that, but that's going to be an interesting potential dilemma. Okay, so I know that I want to, like I said, so I'm going to work out of, I have 2 different Boss Babes. This is the Boss Babe accessories, I think. And it's got some stickers, it's got some journal cards, And then it's got some more like stickers. And then I also have the Boss Babe Happy Planner sticker book that came out in, was that December or January that came out? So I think I like, I mean, okay. I think I'll start with this one for decorating. Even on my worst day, I'm killing it. I don't know that that's really true about my life, but we'll pretend it is. And I'm going to put that on Monday because I won't be working on stuff on Monday because I'm going to be at Disneyland with my best friend and her family. They're here from Idaho all weekend and it's going to be pouring down rain. I mean, it's raining today. It's going to be raining all day tomorrow and they're at Disneyland. They have passes. They live in Idaho and they have season passes, but it's definitely their happy place. But because I'm going to be at the park all day with them, I'm not going to be working on a ton of stuff at home. So I figured I could do a big deco there. And then Rise and Grind. Tuesday's going to have to be like a really busy day for me post Disney. I do have, I'm going to do a washi header on that to cover that. I don't know. I have physical therapy on Tuesday, but I also am going to have a lot of stuff to get done for my sticker shop, like photographing stuff. I've been pre-printing and cutting a bunch of stuff as well. So a lot of those like first initial orders that people make are going to be ready to ship, which is exciting. Other than that, I don't know how long what my shipping time will be, but I'm going to try to make it really fast. So I've been printing and cutting stuff in advance as much as possible for you guys. I hope you guys are excited. Let me know if you're excited and let me know if you're going to be all about the Aglitterylife Plans sticker shop. Get it done. You know, I'm going to put this on for Thursday because I have to drive back to Orange County on Thursday to teach a masterclass for Natasha Denona. I'm the national artist, if you didn't know that, for Natasha Denona makeup line. And I'm teaching a masterclass in Orange County that morning, but then I'm going to have to come back here and hustle hard that day to get stuff done. I love this sticker book. I forget how much I love these Happy Planner sticker books. I saw have this one. It won't peel off right, but I'm going to see if I can get it off. She Who Dares Wins. And I'm going to put this on my weekend for my like shop launch because, you guys, the backstory is that when I first started planning, I don't know, like 5 years ago, I dreamt, I would just think about it all the time. I would dream about opening a sticker shop on Etsy. And it was kind of like when there wasn't very many, there wasn't a ton of options, and I didn't do it because I was really focused on my career and focused on other things. And I've always kind of been bummed out that I didn't do it. So when my husband and I were talking about like dreams and goals and all that kind of stuff this year, I was so happy that he encouraged me to do this. When I told him about it, I was like, is he gonna laugh at me? Is he gonna think this is stupid? But no, because he's an awesome husband. And he's been so supportive because obviously we've, you know, like invested some money into this. She Who Dares Wins. Let it be true, Lord. Let it be true. Okay, and actually, you know what? Let's go ahead and get rid of the rest of this peach. This We Rise by Lifting Others sticker on here, maybe on Wednesday. We have our tax appointment on Wednesday. But, oh, that's so pretty. I've gotten my hands on a handful of the new Happy Planner stuff launched. So if you guys want to see a video with that, let me know, because I will film on that. Okay. Now let's see if I can find another couple more decos would be good. You go, girl. You know what? I'm going to give this to myself on Friday before this launch. The You Go, girl. I probably should use this one that's with the lavender Just a Girl with Goals, since I am achieving a goal this weekend. Well, cheers to putting that on really crooked. That's gonna sort of drive me nuts all week, but you know, it is what it is. Gotta keep moving. Can't do anything about it because I don't think that's gonna come off. Okay, let's do some functionals. I have standing. I have a client that I have a consulting client that I have standing calls with every day, every morning, every weekday. We have 2 calls a day actually, and so we'll put those on there. I'll use this guy for my tax appointment. I guess I could flip through this with you guys watching. Oh, listen, here's another. Oh, this is going to need, I'm going to put this on my dashboard. I'm going to need that on my dashboard. I haven't even thought about the fact that I need to make a dashboard. It's going to be my Friday to-do list. That's so cute. Okay, let's figure out a dashboard, y'all. I'm going to use some of these. They're just sort of like oopsies because they're supposed to be black, but they ended up being gray. So they weren't quite the right shade. But I will have these little black bows in my shop, and probably actually there'll be foiled options as well for those. It's Saturday morning and I always make my husband and I breakfast, and he is downstairs